guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful wig that I received from RPGSHOW. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 20 inches, and this is a 13x6 lace front wig. The wig features RPGSHOW's Fit Lock technology, which is a drawstring cap construction that has 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The hair color is same as picture, and this is a beautiful deep burgundy or cherry cola with a pop of ginger at the bottom. These two colors complement each other so well. The density is 200%, and this hairline is their new Lagos hairline, which is perfect for those with round, natural hairlines like mine. I love how natural this hairline looks. It comes pre-plucked and deep bleached. The lace is pre-tinted to a light brown color, so you don't have to worry about tinting the lace. The nape of this wig has hand-tied knots, so you can wear this wig up in a high ponytail or in a low bun, and you don't have to worry about any tracks showing back there. The drawstring is ideal for wearing your wig without glue, tape, or gel. You just adjust it for a custom fit, and then you tuck the string underneath the wig cap. Easy peasy. And here is a full look at the wig straight out of the package and placed straight onto my mannequin head. I love the peekaboo of the ginger. It's such a gorgeous addition to this hair color. This is a 13x6 lace front wig, so you get deep center parting from your forehead on back. And you also get deep side parting as well. And here is another look at the nape. I love how this gives you that 360 lace wig look, but glueless. And I love this color combo in a ponytail. How cute is this? If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag cherry cola in the comment section. If you have a round hairline or a low hairline, you have to give this Lagos hairline a try. You will never go back to the original hairline shape. This looks way more natural. Okay, so I'm going to add deep layers to this wig, and I'm going to be using my feathered razor comb. I'm going to start by adding face framing layers, and I'm taking my time with this step because the layers are going to be the most important part of this styling process. It's going to give this hair so much body and movement. All right, so now I am going to cut some shorter hairs in the back, but this is always optional. And then I'm using a pencil curling iron to curl the nape, and then I'm setting those curls with small rollers. And next, I'm grabbing a hair wax stick, and I'm going to mold the part using this stick and then smooth the hairs in place with my hot comb. In sections, I'm using a large barreled curling iron and then spraying that curl with hairspray before pinning it down. And I'm just going to curl the hair by flipping the hair, and that's basically going to create curls that are going away from my face or out of my face. And when I get to the front of the head where the parting space is, I'm going to curl the hair under and then use large rollers there. If you want those really big voluminous curls, you need a large barreled curling iron to achieve that look. Now it is time to cut off that extra lace. I'm going to grab a pair of pinking shears, and I'm going to cut in front of the hairline, following the natural curvature, but making sure not to cut off any of the knots. Now it is time for install. I'm going to grab alcohol. I'm going to clean off my forehead with that alcohol and then add a couple of layers of scalp protector to my scalp. I'm going to hold the wig on its side so that I can see the underside of lace, and then I am going to spray Eben New York's Wonder Lace Bond to the underside of lace where my hairline is and blow dry for a few seconds until that lace becomes tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then put on a scarf to set. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this beautiful wig that you need in your cart today from RPGSHOW in the description box. So check down below for more information. How do you feel about this hair color, the cut, and style? Let's chat everything this wig in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.